guys, today we are doing a LEGO review. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen and anyone who is watching. Today we are doing a LEGO set review of Harry Potter Hogwarts Express. So first, in LEGOs, since this is my first one, let me explain. We'll do package, then we'll do characters, then we'll do the set. Okay, so nice package. It has the three characters, Harry Potter, Hermione, and Ron. It has like the Harry Potter font. Of course, LEGO. It has all the information. So it is ages 8 to 14. It is LEGO set number 75955. It is called the Hogwarts Express. As you can see, like the train and all that stuff. I'll get to that later. It is 801 pieces. I would have done this earlier, but I had to build it. So that's what we're gonna get right now. You can skip the video a little bit if you want to see the LEGO set down on the table. But if you still want to see me, I'm just gonna go get the LEGO set right now. Hopefully you can see that well enough, yeah. Best part of all. You just put that through like so. Okay. Just have to change one thing. Okay. So, we are all set up. So, first we're going to do the characters. This is Ron. Okay. This is Remus Lupin. This is Hermione Granger. Harry Potter with a scar. The Dementor. And the Trolley Witch. So first we're gonna explore, I guess I should say that, the express. So if you can see this, says 9 3/4. Up close, that says, oh god, oopsies, I'll just get that back up and rolling. Little mishap, but that's okay, it's fine. The newspaper, it says, "The Daily Prophet, exclusive Harry Potter, the boy who lived." Comment if you are a Harry Potter fan. Here, if you can't, it's hard to read it, but it says, "Wanted, Azkaban," as in the third movie, The Prisoner of Azkaban, 9, and 10. You can't really see that well. Here is the bridge with the, let me just, yeah, it's the bridge with the clock. King's Cross, a couple of lights, the stairs, and the bridge. I think this is pretty good. Now, let's get into the action. Here is the train. So we'll start with the front. Nice barrel texture. So what you do is you place it down on the ground, and when you have this down on the ground, it won't like wobble, but this is in the air, so it won't wobble. But if you take this up, this part, it will wobble. So now let's get to the middle. This is the coal. There's no coal in there, but it opens. And here, don't know how to take that part off, but if you can see inside, it has the little chairs where Harry Potter and Ron sit, so that's pretty cool. Nice windows. Oh, those are supposed to be open, but I can't get them open. So I would give this Lego set a 9 out of 10. I mean, it really represents the story. It has all the characters. It has the Harry Potter Express. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, I don't care about that anymore. But that's where Harry Potter goes through to get to this right there. It's not magic or anything, but it goes like that. I mean, it's not magic, so no, it's not magic, but hey, that's still pretty cool. So I hope you like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. P.S. The next one is going to be vitamin water review. Bye.